Hello scientists, Happy New Year! So this video I will show you how to turn the 3D liposome that we drew in the last tutorial. You can turn it for a few angles, then you can see the sphere, a part of the sphere behind the cross-section. For the scientists who are first time on my channel, welcome! I'm Scientific Illustrator John, and I've been making these scientific illustration tutorials for you so you can draw professional scientific illustrations for your publications. And without further ado, let's start to turn our liposome. So first, let's make a copy of our liposome. So we have a backup to go back to if we screw up. That happens. And then it is actually very easy to create the turning of the liposome. So just select everything and then squeeze it horizontally. So then you kind of get the perspective of the cross-section when you're looking at it from the side. Okay, then we only need to create the this back of the sphere that we will be seeing, and we will do that by using the scatter brush that we have already created. So I make a copy of the lipid bilayer and I switch the brush to the scatter brush, so we only have the phosphate head. We can start laying it behind of our cross-section. So after you lay a few more layers, then you'll start to see that you can see some volume is growing out from the cross-section. But now it looks more like a cylinder. So what we will do is that then let's create a circle that is roughly the size of the cross-section. And we will be using this to measure how much we will be seeing at the back. As you can see, some of these phosphate head are going out of the border. So then we will trim them. Let's delete these. And this one, instead of deleting it, I will just scale it down. So you will still see it, you know, but only the part that we wanted to show. And these part we can also press them in. Okay, and all these are just minor adjustments from here on. Then I will take the reference off and just start to do some minor adjustments. Oh, and also do you notice that some of the lipids are overlapping with each other's? I'll fix that. I think I will make this a little bit smaller in this case. Okay, so the thing that we need to do is to move all of these circles to a little bit of the lower right. Yeah, because when you have when you are viewing the inner surface from a perspective, and then you will see a more part of one surface and comparing to the other part. So that's what we are doing here. Just make yourself see more of the left part of our 3D liposome. Okay, good. And then last but not least, I will fix the gradient a little bit. So you will also see that they're a little bit more, the upper left will be a little bit darker, over here, and as you can see, some of these balls are poking out, and I will use this to cover it. Yeah, so that's really it. That's how you make the angular view and a perspective view on your 3D liposome cross-section. Isn't it very simple? If you find this helpful, please give a thumbs up and also share with your colleagues and friends. That can really help me to grow the channel. I wish you all happy Drop Bomb, and I look forward to see you in the next video.